This video will show you how to replace your front mirror cap on this Toyota Corolla. This will be mounted to your front mirror. Let's get into it. To help separate this, I'm using a small pocket screwdriver. Obviously, I want to be as careful as possible not to damage the mirror itself. As far as the mirror cap, we're replacing that anyway. Now the mirror cap is going to have several locking tabs holding it to the mirror itself. For this, we're going to start prying it out and separating each one of those locking tabs along the way. Just need to find a place to make our way in. Just going to try to find an area along this groove we can slide into. There we are. Now once it's starting to separate, I like to switch to my plastic trim tool so I can pull that out of place. There it is, friend. Now I'm going to use some glass cleaner on a rag and we'll clean this down. Obviously, you can clean that as well as you deem fit. Let's continue on with the installation of our mirror cap. Along the back side, we have several locking tabs. Those will fit into their corresponding ports on the mirror itself. Line it up, press it in, listen for a click. Double check all the way around to make sure it's perfectly seated. If it isn't, just make any adjustments as necessary. Okay, friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you want to do is take your vehicle for a road test and listen for any odd noises coming from this area. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.